Sa nakalipas na 15 taon, maraming nakasama ang CLTV sa pagtataguyod ng adhikaing umunlad ang ating rehiyon. Sila ang bida ngayon sa ating anniversary, ang mga advertisers at partners na walang sawang sumusuporta sa CLTV. Laos Group of Companies, Robinson's Land Corporation, Prime Water Infrastructure Corporation, City Government of San Fernando, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, Region 3, City of San Fernando Water District, Nuwan Farm and Resort, Armel Enterprises, The Orange Bucket, at Corporate Guarantee. Nais din naming bigyang pagkilala ang aming mga Blocktimers. Schools Division Office, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Department of Agriculture, Region 3. Philippine Heart Association, Central Luzon. At Task Force Detainees of the Philippines.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Robinson's Star Mills, Black Crust Pizza Company Philippines, Fiesta Communities, Houseland Development Corporation, Bank of Florida, RP Pest Control Services, Jed's Island Resort, Marangle, Rap Sarap, RDF Fresh Options, McKinney Food Corporation, MNC Weddings and Events by Monet, at Creative Friends Enterprises.